So today what we're going to do is we're going to draw a monster truck. So the first thing we're going to start with is the wheels. The wheels are very, very large on the monster truck. So we're going to start off with that because they're going to take up the most amount of space. So we want to draw the wheels about halfway on the bottom part of our paper. And we want to leave about 4 fingers of space. If you have any extra lines, you can erase those once you get the circle how you want it. So right here, if you're looking, my fist could fit into the wheels. That's how big we want to draw them. That if I put my fist over this, I can fit them on both of the wheels. Once you have the wheels drawn in, we're going to add the circle in the center. Again, I want them to be almost the same place. I want them to kind of be even wheel to wheel. Once you have that, we're going to start on the upper truck part. So now I'm going to draw a line that starts on the left side of my page. It jumps over my tire, brings my 2 tires together, and then jumps over once more. This is going to be the bottom of our truck. Now that you have the bottom of your truck, we're going to bring this up just a little bit. Okay, I can fit about 2 fingers of space there. Then I'm going to pull it back about halfway through my tire. Once it reaches about halfway, I'm going to arch it up towards the top of my paper. And this time, it almost reaches the end of your first tire. Once I've arched it up, I'm going to draw a straight line going back. And then when you come down, it should be about even with the start of your second tire. So now I'm going to start bringing it down, and it's about even with my second tire. Now I'm going to go straight back. This is going to be the bed of the truck, and then I'm going to come down. Just like that. Now with the monster truck, there's a little bit of space in between the car and the tire. So now we're going to draw a line, and it's going to kind of go follow the shape. So you're going to come straight out just like the line before it, and then you're going to arch up above the tire, comes down, arch up above the tire, comes down. Just like that. Now we're going to add a light to our truck. So we're going to add a little square and put another square box behind it. We're going to do the same thing back here. We're going to draw a little kind of square shape and do a box around it. Now connecting the tires, we're going to draw 2 lines coming down on an angle. And then we touch them together. We put them together. And then we're going to draw a little line connecting these to our tires, just like that. Okay, now that you have your basic shape, we're going to draw in some of the detail like the door. So right here, this is going to be the front of our truck. So we're going to draw the door. So we're going to draw the window of the door first. So we're going to follow that same angle. Then we're going to go straight. We're going to come straight up and then connect it. That's going to be the window to our door. Now that we have that, our door. So our door is going to come from the top of our car and it's going to come straight down. It's going to come from the side, it curves, and then comes down. Now we need a door handle. So right below that window, we're going to draw a little kind of curve and then a straight line for our door handle. Now that we have our door, we can draw a back window. So in this little sliver of space, we're going to draw a triangle window. Just like that. And we're going to also include the front windshield. So we're going to draw a line and it's going to go out, up, and then back to the front. This is the front windshield. And then holding our tires in, we're going to have these kind of two rails go behind that little space. We're going to draw two rails holding our tires in. Okay, now you can add any details to your tires that you want. If you want them to kind of like be rigid and have that kind of zigzag pattern, you can add that to your tire. You can make the caps any way you would like. Okay, you can add little bolts, a design. I'm just going around adding those little ridges to my tires. And you can also add any kind of detail to the truck that you want. You could do a design like flames, you could put stripes, you could do a pattern, whatever you want, you can add to your truck. So for my truck, I'm going to do some flames kind of coming from the back, like this. So I'm going to have some flames coming back here. Just like that. And I'm going to add some more design to my tire. Add some bolts to the wheels. And there you go. There is your monster truck. Now it's ready to be colored and designed any way that you want.